Question number 11, Ial C12 January 2014. The three terms of an arithmetic series are 60, 4p and 2p minus 6. Find the value of p. If terms are in arithmetic sequence, the difference between two consecutive terms is same. So 4p minus 60 is equal to 2p minus 6 minus 4p. So 4p, 2p minus 4p is minus 2p. Comes this side, this will be plus 2p. This is 60 will become plus 60 minus 6 will be 54. So 6p is equal to 54. Then p will be 54 over 6. So it will be 9. So that is part A. Part B is find the value of 20th term. So for 20th term we need the value of A. A we have 60 and we have 20 and the difference is 4p minus 60. That is 4p. 4 times 9 is 36 minus 60. So we have D is equal to negative 24. So 20th term will be A is 60 plus n minus 1 is 90. D minus 24. So that is equal to 60 minus 456. So that is minus 396. That is the 20th term. Now part C. Prove that the sum of first n terms of this series is given by the expression. The formula for n term is Sn is equal to n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So we'll put these values. So this is n over 2. 2 multiply 60 plus n minus 1 and d is minus 24. We can cancel by 2. This is minus 12. So it will be n over 2. No, this 2 is not there now. We have already cancelled this 2. So this is n 60 minus 12 and n is minus 12n. Minus 12 times 1 is plus 12. So that is equal to n. 60 plus 12 is 72 minus 12n. We can take 12 common here. So this is 12n. 12 times 6 is 72 minus n. So that is what we are supposed to prove. This figure shows the plan of a pond and a platform. The platform is shown shaded. This is a platform and it is ABCD. They together form a circle of radius 22. So this is 22. OA and OB are the radii. 22 and 22. This is 10 and 10. So this will be 12 and 12. Length BC is 15. is bounded by the arc and these lines. The size of an angle BOC. Part A is all three sides are given. BOC, we have to find this angle. All three sides are given, so we'll use the cosine formula. So cos BOC is equal to the square of adjacent, this 10 square plus 10 square minus the side which is opposite to the angle we are finding, 15 square over 2 multiply 10 multiply 10. There is no confusion at all. When we are finding this angle, only this side is negative and we have to write it once only. This angle once and this side once, that's all. So it is equal to, this is 100 and 100, 200 minus 225. So it is only 25, but it is negative over 200. So this is minus 1 over 8. So BOC will be arc cos or cos inverse minus 1 over 8. We have to find the angle in radians, so put the mod of your calculator at radians. So it will be 1 point up to 3 decimal places. So it is 1.696. So that is the angle of BOC. Part B. The perimeter of the platform. The perimeter of the platform, this one. This is 12, this is 15, this is 12. What is this? In this triangle, not a triangle. What we have is, this is theta, this is L. We know L is equal to r theta. So this length will be, radius is 22 and theta is 1.696. So that will be equal to 37.31. So the perimeter will be AB plus BC plus CD plus AD arc. AB is, you can write here 22 minus 10 plus BC is 15, CD is 22 minus 10, and this is r theta. So that is 12 plus 15 plus 12 plus 37.31. So that is equal to 76.31. So that is, we have to find it 3 significant figure. So that is 76.3. 3SF. Part C. Find the area of the platform. Area of the platform is, first we find the area of this sector. The formula for the area of sector will be, so this is area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector, we know the formula is half r square, that is 22 square theta, 1.696, minus area of triangle is half r square sine theta. In the triangle R is 10. Sine 1.696. So this is equal to, if you calculate this, 22 square over 2 multiply this is 410.432 minus this will be 49.6086. So this is 360.823. Three significant figures. 360, this is 8, so it will be 1. 3SF. So that is the answer. Whenever we have this kind of a question, first find the area of complete sector. This formula is half r square theta. Then area of triangle, this formula is half r square sine theta. This is a straight line and this is a curve. Question number 13. The curve has equation y is equal to x minus 3, 3x minus 25 over x. Find dy over dx. To find dy over dx, we have to simplify it first. So it will become x multiply 3x is 3x square, x multiply minus 25 is minus 25x, 3 multiply 3x is minus 9x, and minus 3 multiply minus 25 is minus 75 over x. So y will be, this is 3x square over x. So this is 3x. Minus 25 minus 9. Will be minus 34, x over x minus 34. Then minus 75 over x. We have divided it, so now it's easy to find dy over dx. Minus 3x will be 3, minus 34 will be 0, minus 75 will be minus 75. This is x to the power minus 1, so minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1. So it will be 3 plus minus minus plus 75 over x square. So that is the dy over dx. This one is minus 3 minus 25. So this is plus 75. This is plus 75. So this will be negative. You have to be very careful during examination not to do this kind of mistakes. That is B. Now B is find the coordinate of turning point. We know that for the coordinate of turning point is dy over dx is 0. So it means 3 minus 75 over x square is equal to 0. So 3 is equal to 75 over x square. Cross multiply. 3x square is 75. So x square is 75 over 3. That is 25. So x is root 25. So it is plus minus 5. So the value of x is 5 and the value of x is minus 5. But here we have the condition x is greater than 0. So the value of x is greater than 5. the coordinate. If x is 5, so y will be, we put in the original equation here, y will be 5 minus 3. 5 times 3 is 15 minus 25 over 5. So this is 2 and this is minus 10. So minus 20 over 5 is minus 4. The coordinate of turning point will be 5 and minus 4. Determine whether the turning point is a maximum or minimum. We know that for maximum and minimum, d2y over dx square, we have to check it. So we differentiate it again. So this is 3 minus, this is become x to the power. So for differentiation it will become 3 minus 75 x to the power minus 2. So d2y over dx square will be, differential of 3 is 0 minus 75, this is minus 2 x to the power minus 2 minus 1. So that is equal to minus minus plus 150 x to the power minus 3. And this is greater than 0. This is a positive number. So it means it's a minimum point. The point P with the coordinate half lies on the curve. Suppose this is a P and its coordinate is 2.5, x coordinate. Find the equation of the normal at P. So this is a tangent and this is the normal. And the equation of curve is y is equal to, this is y is equal to x minus 3, 3x minus 25 over x. So if x is equal to 2.5, y will be 2.5 minus 3, 7.5 minus 25 over 2.5. So 0.5 minus, so minus 17.5 over 2.5. So that will be equal to, this is also negative, so this is 3.5. So the coordinate of P will be 3.5. So these are the two coordinates. Now dy over dx at P. So dy over dx is equal to 3 minus 75 over x square. 3 minus 75 over x is 2.5 square. So this is 3 minus 75 over 2.5 multiply 2.5. So that is equal to, we multiplied by 10, remove decimals, multiply 10, 25 times 3 is 75 and 25 times 4 is 100. So this is 3 minus 12. So this is minus 9. So the slope here is negative 9. We have to find the at normal. So normal it will be 1 over 9. So the equation will be, the equation of normal is y minus y1 is 3.5 is equal to slope 1 over 9, x minus x1 is 2.5. So y minus 7 over 2 multiply 9 is equal to x minus 5 over 2. So this is 9. 2y minus 7 over 2 is equal to 2x minus 5 over 2. So we can cancel both 2. This is 18y minus 63 is equal to 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 18y plus 63 minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is 2x minus 18y plus this is 58 is equal to 0. So we can write x minus 9y plus 29 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal at P. Question number 14, part A. The question is, this is a curve, x is quadratic, x square minus 2x minus 15, and this is a line. So curve and line are intersecting at A and B. So these are the simultaneous equation. So we simplify it using simultaneous equation, that is x 2x minus 3 is equal to x square minus 2x minus 15. Whenever you find two lines intersect or two curves intersect or curve and a line intersects, these are the two simultaneous equations. This is the value of y, this is the value of y, so both are equal. Now we try to simplify it. So x square, this is minus 2x, this 2x will go, it will become minus 2x. This is minus 15, this 3 will go, it will become plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can simplify this. So factors of 12 is 6 times 2. So we can write x square minus 6x plus 2x. 6 is 2x, 6 and 2 is minus 4, and 6 times 2 is minus 12. Minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we will take this x common, x minus 6 plus 2 x minus 6 is equal to 0. So it shows that x is equal to 6 and minus 2. So definitely this value of x is negative 2 and this value of x is 6. If x is 6, this is 6 times 2 is 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. And if it is minus 2, this is minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So A coordinate will be minus 2 minus 7 and the B coordinate will be 6 and 9. In this figure, the shaded region R is bounded by the line, the curve and the x-axis. The curve, this. Use integration. Now if we have to use integration, what we can see here is this is a triangle. If we use definite integral, we can find only this area. This is the area between the curve and the x-axis. So what we are going to do is we have to find this area of this triangle. Let me say this point is D and this point is E. So our figure is like this line, and this line. Now for the area of triangle, first we try to find out area of triangle. Say this is F, this is F, this is E, this is D. These are the straight line and this is a curve. So BFD is equal to half into base. Base is this, from F to D, into this height. The coordinate of B is 9, y coordinate, so this height will be 9. Now how to find FD? This x coordinate is 6. Now this line is intersecting here, so here y is 0, so x will be 3 over 2. So this is 3 over 2. So FD will be 6 minus 3 over 2. So that is 9 over 2. So area of triangle is half multiply 9 over 2 multiply 9. That is 81 over 4. This is the area. Now we have to find the area under this curve. So we have to find this point also. This is 6. That is the upper limit. So what is this point? Now in this curve, y is 0 here. So y 0 means x square minus 2x minus 15 is 0. So x square, 15 is 3 times 5. So minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is 0. X common, x minus 5 plus 3 common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 and 5. So this is minus 3 and this is 5. So now we have to find the area of this portion. So that will be integral 5 to 6 x square minus 2x minus 15 dx. So this is x cube over 3 minus 2x square over 2 will be x square and minus 15x. That is 5 to 6. So this will be equal to 6 1 over 3, 6 cube minus 5 cube minus 6 square minus 5 square minus 15, 6 minus 5. So if you calculate it, this will be, so it will be 13 over 3. You better confirm it. So area of shaded figure R is 81 over 4 minus 13 over 3. So that is 3 times 1 is 3, it is 24 over 12 minus 52. So that is 191 over 12. So this is the area of this portion. Question number 15. A part. X have coordinates 0, 3. Y is 6, 11. There is a chord of a circle. Find the gradient xy. So gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 8 over 6. So that is 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 4 is 8. So 4 over 3 is the gradient. B. M is the midpoint. So the coordinate of M will be M, capital M. The coordinate of M will be x1 plus x2, 6 plus 0 over 2 and 11 plus 3 over 2. So this is 3 and this is 7. So this coordinate will be 3 and 7. Find the equation of a line passes through Z and M. The slope of xy is 4 over 3. So slope of this is a perpendicular. The line joining the midpoint of a chord and the center of a circle is perpendicular on it. You must know this is a perpendicular. So M of this line is minus 3 over 4 and it is passing through 3, 7. So the equation will be y minus y1 is equal to minus 3 over 4 x minus x1. So 4y minus 28 is equal to minus 3x plus 9. 3x plus 4y minus 28, 29, 30 minus 37 is equal to 0. Given that the y coordinate of z is 10. So if y is 10, so we put y is equal to 10. So 3x plus 40 minus 37 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 3. So x will be minus 1. So the x coordinate of z will be, so this is minus 1 and 10. Find the equation of circle. So D part, the equation of circle will be x minus a square plus y minus b is equal to r square. R square is this distance. So this distance is 6 minus means 6 plus 1 square, x2 minus x1, 6 minus 1 plus 10 minus 11 minus 10 or 10 minus 1 square. So this is x square plus 2x plus y square minus 20x plus 1 plus 100 is equal to 7 square is 49 plus 9 is 50. So x square plus y square plus 20y, not x, plus 2x minus 20y plus, this is 50 and 1, 51 is equal to 0. And that's all in this paper. Somebody requested, so I did it in a bit hurry, but I hope you are going to understand all this. Thanks for your request and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you very much. And my next paper will be, it is requested, and I'll post it either today or tomorrow. Thank you.